You guys have been asking for this one, the 2026 BMW M8. And let me tell you, this isn't just a refresh. This feels like a proper evolution of one of BMW's most exciting performance cars. If you've ever dreamed of a grand tourer that's just as happy crushing canyon roads as it is cruising on the highway, you're gonna want to stick around for this. Right away, the design grabs you. BMW hasn't done anything timid here. The 2026 M8 looks bold and confident, more aggressive front fascia, sharper lines, and a presence that really fills the road. The kidney grille is still there, of course it's still there, but it's sleeker and more integrated this time, giving the whole front end a more cohesive, purposeful look. The headlights are slim and crisp, and the way they sit with the sculpted bumper gives the car this almost predatory expression, like it's ready to leap forward the moment you glance at it. Move around the side of the car, and the stance feels low, wide, and planted. Those curves aren't just for show, they give the M8 a muscular presence that hints at serious capability. The fenders have a subtle gnarl to them, and the way the roofline tapers back makes it look even more dynamic. Even at a standstill, this thing looks like it's already in motion. Out back, the 2026 M8 keeps it clean but dramatic. The taillights wrap around with this sharp, modern signature that's unmistakably BMW. And then there's that rear bumper with integrated exhaust tips that are perfectly sized, not too wild, but definitely performance-oriented. It's a design that feels modern and premium, but still aggressively sporty. Okay, but we all know looks are only part of the story. Under the hood, yes, there's still a powerful engine. BMW is keeping that classic twin-turbo V8 vibe alive, and from everything we've seen, it's tuned to deliver even more power and torque than before. It makes this car feel eager and quick in a way that's almost addictive. You're not just accelerating, you're experiencing acceleration. And that engine note? It manages to be deep and sonorous without feeling out of place for daily driving. Now, this is the part where some of you might be curious about hybrid tech. BMW isn't hiding from the future, there are whispers of subtle electrification to help with throttle response and efficiency, but this car still feels like a true M in spirit. It's not about being eco-focused, it's about being responsive and fast in the real world. Inside the 2026 M8, BMW has dialed up the luxury while keeping everything driver-focused. The cockpit feels modern and premium without being overwhelming. There are big curved displays with crisp graphics, loads of configurable options, and materials that feel downright special. The seats are supportive but comfortable, perfect for both a spirited drive and a long road trip. And the steering wheel? It's thick and tactile, exactly what you want when you're hustling this car through tight turns. Features have also been upgraded across the board. You're getting the latest driver assist tech, smarter navigation, and improved connectivity, all integrated in a way that feels intuitive. But the beauty of the M8 is that none of it gets in the way of the driving experience. The tech helps, but it doesn't distract. Let's talk about price, because that's always part of the conversation. Now, the 2026 M8 isn't cheap, it's a premium performance car. You're looking in the high six-figure range once options are added, especially if you go for the sportier trims and performance packages. But when you consider what you're getting, a luxury grand tourer that's blisteringly quick, beautifully designed, and comfortable enough to live with every day, it starts to feel worth every penny. How does this new M8 compare to past models? In many ways, it feels like a culmination of everything BMW has learned. It keeps the raw power and excitement that made the M8 a fan favorite, but it adds a level of refinement and technology that makes it feel contemporary and relevant. Past M8s were already beasts, this one feels like a smarter beast, one that's easier to live with, but just as exhilarating when you want to push it. So, is the 2026 BMW M8 worth the hype? From what we're seeing, absolutely. It's bold, it's fast, it's refined, and it somehow manages to stay true to what made the M8 special in the first place. Whether you're into high-speed cruising or carving up tight back roads, this car gives you that thrilling experience without compromising comfort. Let me know what you think. Are you excited for the new M8, or do you think it should have gone even further? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more supercar breakdowns just like this. Catch you in the next video.